Ever wondered what the pinnacle of aviation technology looks like? Let me introduce you to the Lockheed Martin SR-72 Darkstar. This isn't just any aircraft, it's a hypersonic unmanned aerial vehicle, a marvel of modern engineering. Developed by the renowned Lockheed Martin, the SR-72 has a specific purpose: to redefine what's possible in the aviation world. From speed to stealth, this technological titan pushes the boundaries of what we thought aircraft could achieve. So let's delve deeper and explore what makes the SR-72 Darkstar so remarkable. The SR-72 Darkstar isn't just any ordinary aircraft. Its design and deployment are a testament to human ingenuity. With an aerodynamic structure specifically built for stealth, this machine is an engineering marvel. Its sleek design reduces drag, enabling it to glide smoothly through the atmosphere. The stealth technology incorporated into its build allows it to remain undetected, making it an invaluable asset in reconnaissance missions. But what sets the Darkstar apart is its unmanned nature. Yes, you heard that right. The SR-72 operates without a pilot, guided solely by advanced computer systems. This enables it to undertake high-risk missions without endangering human lives. In terms of deployment, the SR-72 fits perfectly into the modern warfare landscape. Its speed, stealth, and unmanned capabilities make it an ideal tool for gathering intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance. With such an innovative design and strategic deployment, the SR-72 Darkstar truly stands in a league of its own. What sets the SR-72 apart is its breathtaking Mach speed, advanced features, and impressive specifications. The SR-72 Darkstar is not your average bird, boasting a hypersonic speed that can reach up to Mach 6. This is a velocity seldom seen in the aviation world, making the Darkstar a truly unique piece of machinery. Such speed is achieved through the use of a combined cycle propulsion system, a technological innovation that marries the best of turbojet and ramjet engines. This combination allows the Darkstar to cruise efficiently at high speeds, while also having the capability to accelerate to hypersonic velocities when required. But the SR-72 is more than just a speed demon. It's equipped with advanced surveillance capabilities, making it an invaluable asset in the field of reconnaissance. Its sensors can cover vast swaths of land in a short amount of time, capturing high-resolution imagery and data with pinpoint accuracy. In terms of specifications, the Darkstar is a sizable beast. Its length spans over 100 feet with a wingspan to match. Despite its size, it maintains a relatively light weight, thanks to the use of composite materials. And when it comes to range, the SR-72 doesn't disappoint. It's capable of covering thousands of miles without refueling, making it an exceptional long-distance flyer. With these features and specs, the SR-72 Darkstar is nothing short of a marvel in aviation technology. But it's the operational capabilities of the SR-72 Darkstar that truly astonish. This unmanned aerial vehicle is more than just a fast, stealthy piece of machinery. It's a game-changer in the world of aviation and warfare. The SR-72 Darkstar is designed to perform both reconnaissance and strike missions, making it a versatile tool in the field. Its ability to operate in contested airspace sets it apart from many of its predecessors. The Darkstar can easily infiltrate enemy lines, gather critical information, and execute precise strikes, all while remaining virtually undetectable. Its speed and stealth capabilities, combined with its operational versatility, make it a formidable force on the battlefield. The SR-72 Darkstar is not just an aircraft, it's a revolution. It's the embodiment of years of research, development, and technological advancement. It's a testament to human ingenuity and the relentless pursuit of progress. In a nutshell, the SR-72 Darkstar is an embodiment of cutting-edge technology, designed for speed and stealth, equipped with advanced features, and capable of transforming the face of modern warfare.